What's up, guys?
Hey guys, good morning. It is 5:21 in the morning.
And we're gonna go hiking. It's supposed to be a really easy trail. We're just here to chill, have some fun during the summer.
Yeah, we're not trying to kill ourselves.
Bro, imagine. Yes, bring the snacks. Anyways, yeah. See you guys over. Oh my god, why are you taking his sandals?
Sandals?
They literally, I see your toes. But yeah. It's so nice. Okay, Dinalu.
Yes, I'm just really trying not to eat shit again, guys.
Wait, that was like
this is like giving me like trauma from when I felt freaking. Oh my god, guys! Like
at the BTS concert.
Never let whoever I was with direct you guys. Oh my god.
We've been rationing for 14 days.
14 days?
We've been rationing our food.
Trust me, we don't ration food.
Rationing our food, all we have is junk food.
Hey, it's okay, guys. Holy shit.
Whoa!
Oh, it's actually moving.
They're so many. What? I'm not ruining it.
Just put it on, just put it on. Where is it?
I'm saving the snails. I'll pick this one up too.
Go.
Oh, don't worry, snail buddy. You won't have to climb today.
Eileen, don't get like cancer or anything.
That was about a me.
Wait, what? It's this way.
Oh!
Wait, let me see. Yo! Snail sex.
Part 2 on another channel.
Oh look!
Our channel, Eileen?
He's tilting the shaft. You know what? I need to give them privacy.
Whoa!
Why is Hayden getting all up there?
Say swear, say swear. Look at the snail trail.
Good to see right? They're so cool. So nice.
Where are we? Oh yeah, I should go this way.
Oh look, a snail!
Oh,
A snail. Okay, goodbye first trail. What's up, guys? We finished our first hike. It was pretty easy. It was like a mile, I think.
It was just like a. Now we're on our second chilling day.
Yes, and we're gonna go to the beach. And I have a blanket, so we're gonna lay on it. And then we brought a crap load of food. Good morning. And yeah, I'm kind of sad we couldn't see the sunrise because it was cloudy when we were hiking. But
also we live on the west coast.
we also live on the west coast, which is unfortunate because at least our sunsets are good. So we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a sunset.
This is so cool.
Tina Lou. She's so scared of falling. This actually just looks so unreal. Like, it looks so nice. I mean, if there's a will, there's a way, right? Wait. It doesn't look that bad, right? Hold on, I'm like looking. I mean, it looks like a trail. It looks pretty good to me. I'll go first. Is there? You want some?
Wait, Loki, I want Chick-fil-A.
Oh my god, you biggie.
CFA breakfast.
I'm pants are dirty now. I rubbed my hand on it. This is the smartest.
Wait, we can go right or left.
How hard is right though?
I hope not that hard.
How is it, Eileen? It was easy? Oh, you can't using your hands? Sort of stuff. Go down first. You need 2 hands. Go. Wait, give me your bag. Just give me your bag so Eileen can take it down first. So you don't have to climb with anything. Hold on, I got it.
Dina, we'll help you go down.
It's okay. Is this character development?
This is.
I'm so dead. Nothing too hard, okay?
This is.
It's not hard.
Character development.
Oh, you got it. Come down. Yeah, let's see. Wait, yeah. There's just a lot of seaweed. Oh yeah, that's nice.
I was before that because I just saw a crab walk out of there.
Shut up, bro.
Yeah, it was black.
Okay, Dina.
Let me go back first.
Her face just dropped. Alright, you're gonna go in between us. So Eileen's gonna go first, and then you go, Dina, okay? Maybe up there.
Almost slanted but flatter.
Up there. It's just a little bit more. Alright, we're here, Dina. It's just this. Okay, I don't know which side you guys want to put on the floor. I don't mind. Okay. You just off the bottom? Yeah. No, not in this bag. Ugh.
Yay! We can eat the water.
Yeah. I just chill. Yeah. Hey, Lowe's. Let's go. Let me either. Oh my god. We'll see you in a sec, Dina.
Okay. Oh, it's actually right here.
Oh, there's a seagull up there. It's so.
It looks like a eagle.
It looks so cool. It's just chilling. There's some tadpoles up here, but I'm scared I'm gonna get a little wet. Oh wait, actually let's check up here. Damn. Oh, we should have ate here. Just seaweed and stuff. Yeah, let's go down. I'm sure the down pools will have something cool. This water is so murky. Maybe it's because it's not like replaced. It's like old water. It's still water. God. I kind of want to go further. Oh, let's check out this tadpole first. The small one. Oh, hey, there's a little fish in here.
Did you see it's an amphibian?
No, I just said there's a little fish.
Should I go inside?
Hey, it's trapped in here. Oh, it just went under a rock. I don't think so. Oh my god, they're all baby snails. What the heck? No, all the little black things you see are snails.
Really?
Yeah. Just snails. Let's look over there. Maybe those will probably be the most interesting one. Yeah.
We ought to see something.
Hey, we gotta find that crab you're looking at. Are you okay?
Oh, these are bossy.
You felt it? Whoa. Oh, I felt that too.
Oh, they're moving.
So these snails are alive.
On their own?
No, it's definitely the water.
Wait. That's not a snail.
Are they crabs?
They're hermit crabs.
Oh, get closer, get closer. Move, move, move. Go, I wanna see, I wanna see. Oh my god, be careful, be careful.
Hey, it's walking on its own.
Oh my god.
Do you see its legs?
I do. You should squat. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
And Petco sell these for like $7.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, I've got an idea.
Yeah, you need to be open-minded. Take all of them. Holy shit.
Do you see that one that just fell? That one right there. It looks like a whole ass spider.
Oh, what the heck?
Do you think if I put my foot in it, they'll like eat my dead skin?
I don't think that's what hermit crabs do. I guess another thing. Wait, there's two fish. There's a fish over there.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared of the water. Where? Oh, I see a bunch of fishies.
I think we'll be fine. so many of them.
There's so many little fishies.
Dude, I'm telling you, stop the pet cobra. Fishies?
Fishies?
You said fishies?
Yeah, fishies. You see right there?
Oh. I do.
Oh my gosh, they actually run.
Oh, look at this one.
Wait,
Oh,
there's a crab.
where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it.
It's eating something to itself.
Oh, this hermit crab is eating something else too.
Wait, that's so cute. It's feeding itself.
The crab?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Look at the thing stuck in its mouth. Oh my gosh, and it's opening its little mouth. Closer look.
Go for it. You gonna cross? Be careful. Of course,
Oh.
all the hermit crabs. Dude, I can't believe there's so many. Octopus!
Oh my gosh. And another crab.
Oh, is it the one climbing the rock?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Oh, she's sleeping.
Aw, poor baby. Wait, look at the octopus hunt.
It's so cool.
Oh, it's hiding now, isn't it? Be careful, Eileen, you okay?
Yeah. It changed colors.
Oh, I see it.
What the heck?
Yeah, you think it eats hermit crabs?
No.
Really?
Maybe.
Octopus, where are you?
It's right there.
Where? Say where? I don't see it. Oh, I see its tentacle.
Yeah.
Oh, the octopus is moving. It's right in front of us. Yo, it thinks it's sneaky, bro. We smarter than you, bro.
Wait. The way its color changes. It's dark.
And look, it's gonna shoot out. It's gonna shoot out. Whoa.
Holy. It's pretending to be a rock. It even gets in the shade.
It's still there. Hey, this Ty got show, bro.
What's he doing?
It's just sitting there like a rock.
Did it get a hermit crab? Let's have to pick it up.
No, I don't think so. I don't know, actually. This is so dope. Look at all the hermit crabs moving.
We thought they were snails.
Dude, yeah. It's just gonna stay there?
Wait, did it move?
Nah, it's right here. Oh, it's looking at me. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. My fault. Damn, it's mad dogging me. Alright, guys. We're on our way back. Oh, you see my hat. This is my camera's on it. Oh my god, there's so many freaking hermit crabs and then that octopus, and we saw tons of crabs too. Like, it was actually so cool. The fish are laying. You always see fish. But yeah, we're on our way back, so fall from the sky. Right? Keep going, yeah, keep going, Gina.
What kind of bird is it?
I don't know, keep going. Poor babies. They look pretty neat too. Nice.
Oh, you gotta use your upper body. Yeah, and then from here, I think it's easier to go to the left. Because you have steps? Yeah. You can step on it.
Alright, I think you wanna go up?
Yeah.
Man, am I toasty, y'all?
Now this is the part. Oh, fuck.
No, we got it. Adventure away? You're gonna use this rock for some leverage. Hey, wait, it wasn't that bad.
Over there?
Yeah.
Woo! Pop!
You got it?
I'm happy you're coming!
Whoa!
I can't breathe out of my nose!
Look how beautiful the water looks. Alright, let's go back to the car, guys.
All before 9 a.m. by the way.
It's before, oh wow. What's up, guys? That's after the hike. Oh, that was pretty chill. I don't know how much we walked, I'll be honest. The view is beautiful. Down.
It's not about how
Why?